Hi, it's NuWave Recipes, and today I'm going to be making some chocolate covered Oreo cookies. I'm going to be using the melt chocolate function on the Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1 to melt the chocolate, and then we can get some Oreos on them. It has some chocolate covered Oreos with some dark chocolate 100%. And we're going to see how that turns out right now. Alright, so here with the Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1, got myself about 10 Oreo cookies there. They're double stuffed. I probably might only be able to cover maybe 6 or 8, I don't know, maybe more or less, but we'll see. I've got some Baker's chocolate 100%, and it's a 4-ounce pack. I'm going to try maybe just 2 ounces, maybe just one of the 2 packs in the bowl here. Well, I thought it came in 2 packs, but it comes in one big bar. Some other dark chocolate I acquired before had a basically 2 bars instead of one big bar. I'm going to get a bigger bowl to hold this. Alright, so I'm basically going to get the whole 4-ounce bar in this bowl here. And I guess I'll get myself some more cookies while this is basically melting. But going to, for now, put this into the Breville Combi Wave, and inside the door is the melt chocolate button. So I press that button and it says how many ounces. I'm going up to 4 ounces, and I'm going to close the door and press start. And this is a microwave function that it does to melt it without any splatter or anything. It, had a time of over 3.5 minutes, a little over 3.5 minutes to start on one of the lower power settings. So while that's, getting melted, I'm going to try and get some more cookies in case I need them for the dipping process. Alright, we're coming into the final seconds of this melting of the chocolate. It seems the Breville Combi Wave is doing a good job so far. Nothing with any splatter issues or anything. Chocolate seems to be melting down. And when you melt chocolate, it usually doesn't move very much while it's in the process of being melted. Usually after you melt it, then you're able to notice how melted it is by trying to move things around in it after it's melted. So it's finished the melting process, and we'll see how far melted it is. I know it doesn't look like it's very melted, but this is how things typically go when you're melting chocolate. You see it's very well melted. It is well melted. As I move the Oreo cookie on the chocolate, it's like just falling in and getting all covered in chocolate. So I'm just going to get some of these covered in chocolate. Even though I'm just putting them on a plate, I would recommend for you, when you do this, have like some parchment lining between your cookies, and then you basically put them in a container, put them in the fridge for a while, let them cool off, and then they're ready to eat. But these, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to kind of move along and kind of do it all kind of on the same plate and such. Alright, I've been able to get 12 covered fully. I've still got some chocolate left, but it's getting a little more difficult to get them covered real easily, but probably could get 16, if you work through the remaining chocolate, but I've gotten 12 and I'm going to stop there. And so, like I mentioned, you put these in the fridge for a while, you let them cool off, and they come out real nice. I'm just going to take one of these for the sake of this taste test now, do a quickie taste test with you. Alright, so here's chocolate covered Oreos. These are still wet, but going to go ahead and taste one anyway. All right, that dark chocolate's thick and rich. So I wanted to test with 100%, and it does great with 100% dark chocolate, so it'll do well, I'm sure, with any other variety of chocolate that you like. I like dark chocolate, so these taste good to me. Depending on your palate preference, you would probably want to go with a lower percentage of chocolate, you know, if you don't like 100% dark chocolate. So it's all up to you, but this proves that the Breville Combi Wave does a good job with it. And this is how you can make yourself some nice chocolate covered Oreos at home. And I'm sure you'll save compared to the cost at a lot of candy shops that, you know, would charge you a lot more for it. Anyway, you can find this, other recipes in written form at superwaveovenrecipes.com. You can always come to this YouTube channel by going to waveovenrecipes.com. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at waveovenrecipes. In the video description are referral links for other cookers. This one is not available at the shop I have a referral relationship with, but other cookers, you pay the same price and help this channel as far as those are concerned. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, hit the notification bell, subscribe, and hit the notification with the subscription, and good eating.